a diverging beam 85 of light from source S, alpha I rarer denser. Angle alpha symmetrical in a boundary of this much. The angle of incidence of two extreme ray are equal. Then if refractive index of denser medium is n, then the divergence angle of refracted ray will be how much? Divergence angle of refracted ray will be how much? Hello?
Yes, sir.
In denser medium, the ray will bend towards the normal. Na?
Yes.
So when you produce it backwards, then it will be less than alpha. Na? Because ये देखो ऐसा हो गया ना bend. तो इसको प्रोड्यूस करूंगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा ना, कम होएगा ना,
Yes.
because it is denser medium second one, so it will be smaller than alpha. ये alpha, this is I, this will move away, so when you produce it, it will be lesser than this, na?
Yes, sir. Got it. Done, sir.
Then 86, 87.
No, sir. Done.
Yes.
90.
So everything over in wave theory of light.
Yes.
Now I will be doing all the sums related to dispersion, मतलब prism वाला. आपको क्वेश्चंस भेजता हूँ, 1 मिनट रुको. हाँ, yes, did you got this? Refraction through prism.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'm giving 2 minutes for you. 1 to 1, 2, 3. You all try fast. 1, 2, 3. I'm also doing on the screen so that you can cross check whether you have done perfect or not. First you read, check whether you know this sum or not. Otherwise, it will be wasting the time. Na? If you don't know, then I will start directly. If you know, then you start and then check. Yes, you know how to do this sum?
Yes, sir. 45 degrees.
Yes, sir.
The ray of light retraces the path. What does it mean? Retraces the path means what?
R2 is 0.
R2 is 0. Very good. So A is R1 plus R2. A is equals to R1. A is given as 30 degrees R1. Now mu is sine I upon sine of R1. So root 2 equals to sine of I upon sine 30. Sine 30 is half. So 1 upon 2 is sine I. Therefore 1 by root 2 is sine I. I equals to 45 degree. Perfect. Try next one. Say exam, probably it is on 5th of September. I will send few more questions on dispersion. You try, and if doubt persists, I will clear, and then I will start with lens and at the end mirror. Second one. Ashlisha got the answer, second one?
No, sir.
Whenever word minimum deviation comes, you start with prism formula, okay?
Yes, sir.
So mu is given 1.5, angle of minimum deviation is prism. Then what is the angle of prism? If cos of 41 is 0.71. Whenever you see minimum deviation given, start with prism formula. Prism formula is mu equal to sine of a plus delta m upon 2 divided by sine a by 2. So 1.5 is sine of a plus delta m is a upon 2 divided by sine of a by 2. So 1.5 is this 2a upon 2 sine of a upon sine of a by 2. Therefore 1.5 is 2 times sine of a by 2 into cos of a by 2 upon sine a by 2. Sine 2a formula, you know, it is 2 sine a cos a.
Yes, sir.
So ये sin a by 2 sin a by 2 cancel हो गया. 0.75 is cos of a by 2. I think you got now. So cos inverse of 0.75 is 41 degree. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So A will be 82. Now followed.
Yes, sir.
देखो लास्ट पॉइंट पे जो भी हम लोग बात करेंगे ना वो आपके दिमाग में रहेगा. So whenever minimum deviation given, prism formula. Solve. This one can I clear from the screen?
Yes, sir.
So, see, A plus delta M is A plus delta is I plus E, you know, and A is R1 plus R2, you are knowing, correct now?
Yes, sir.
They are telling if a thin prism has refractive index 1.5, which of the following relation between the angle of minimum deviation and angle of refraction will be correct? So mu is sine of A plus delta M upon 2 divided by sine A by 2. This mu is 1.5. This is sine of I upon sine of A by 2 is actually R. So for thin prism, I and R will be same. What is for thin prism? Third one. Angle of refraction and minimum deviation relation we want for thin prism. For thin prism, delta is A into mu minus 1, correct na? And A is R by 2, okay? 1.5 minus 1. So delta is R by 2 into 0.5. Therefore, delta will be A is 2R. A is 2R, sorry. 2R into 0.5 is R. Got it now? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
At delta M, A is R1 plus R2 will become 2R. Na? So A is
Yes.
2R. Yes, 2. This was very good sum because it will lead to confusion in the exam. Fourth one. Fourth one, try. Yes, which sum you are trying? Hello, Yash.
Yes, sir.
Which sum you are trying?
Sir, this one only.
Acha. Same way you started? Material of prism of n is this much, angle of minimum. Minimum dikha to prism formula. This is cos a by 2 upon sin a by 2 is sine of a plus delta m upon 2 divided by sine a by 2. Both sides sine a by 2 cancel. Cos a by 2 is sine of a plus delta m by 2. Till this, I think almost everybody might have done. Correct?
Yes, sir.
इसके बाद अटक गए रहेंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Cos को can you convert in sine? 90 minus a by 2 है ना?
Yes.
अभी आ गया. दोनों साइड sin and equal means angle must be matching. So it is 90 minus a by 2 will be a plus delta m a by 2 upon 2. I hope you followed now. So 180 minus a upon 2 is a plus delta m upon 2 cancel. 180 minus 2a is delta m. Followed?
Yes, sir.
We want delta m. 180 minus 2a. Fifth sum was asked even last year 2020. After this, please try fifth one.
Sir, option
What option you got?
A.
A is correct. Anybody else got the answer?
Yes, sir.
What answer you got?
A.
A. Angle of incidence we want. Ray of light is incident at I at one of the face. It incident normally on the other. Normally means A will become R1 only. So mu is sine I upon sine R. Angle is very small, so it is I upon A. Therefore, I is mu A. Small means sine I is I, sine R is R. Try 6 now. See, always exam question is smaller. In short, you got the answer. See, only the thing you should know, perpendicular means there is no refraction here. Yes, anybody got the answer? Sixth one. Nobody got sixth one?
So 15 degree.
15 degree is correct answer. Correct. Anybody else got 15 degree? Ayush?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ananya?
Sir, I'm solving 1 second.
Okay. Swarno, what the answer?
Yes, sir.
कितना है Swarno?
Option C, sir.
15 degree. Yash?
Yes, sir. 15 degree.
How you got the answer? How you tried? Tell me how you have done. Ah, yes, how you did?
Yes, sir. Sir, may I send you the answer?
हाँ send.
Yes.
No, answer I don't want. Method I want. Answer तो you told ना. C is correct. Method. Swarno, you told the method. Swarno, tell the method.
Yes, sir.
Method बताओ कैसे किया?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Snell's law.
Snell's law. So many of you told you got the answer 15. How you did? Swarno, how you did?
सर वो 30 साइन आई 50 डिग्री है ना
साइन क्या डिग्री है?
सर वो साइन आई
साइन आई, साइन आई किधर 30 है? आई तो बोला है 0 है इंसिडेंट नॉर्मली। ये तो इंसिडेंट नॉर्मली बोला है ना, 0 हो गया ना फिर तो।
Sir, I started with Snell's law.
You started with Snell's law, okay. What you got? IS?
Sir, I got IS 30.
आई यू गॉट 30। सब रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं, कुछ आता ही नहीं लगता है। आंख बंद करके करते हैं, आंसर मिल गया उसका मतलब थोड़ी राइट किया आपने। आई 0 है ना, 30 कैसा होएगा? आई इट इज इंसिडेंट नॉर्मली, तो आई 0 हो गया ना। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
इंसिडेंट नॉर्मली तो आई 0 हुआ ना।
Hmm.
ये फेस का R2 विल बी A which is 30. So if I imagine light is going from this medium to this medium, ulta, then refractive index is sine of I which is E upon sine of R2 which is 30. Therefore root 2 will be sine of E upon sine R2 which is sine 30. So sine of E equals to root 2 into half. So E will become 45 degree. E मतलब ये second surface के लिए I है वो। Now light is going from rarer medium to denser medium. Rarer to denser. So I is greater than R. I means our E is greater than R. So it is nothing but, hello?
Yes, sir.
Therefore E is R plus delta. 45 is 30 plus delta. ये एक्चुअल मेथड है। ये तो नसीब से आपने कुछ भी किया और आंसर आ गया 15। Everybody tried by this method or some other method? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Same method.
Then it is correct. Any other method, please rectify your method. See, getting answer many times is not correct approach. Now try 7th. 7th both sahi hai. 7th, 8th, 9th. Try 7th.
Sir, I'm not getting.
I'm doing for you. Wait. One seventh one. Anybody got the answer?
No, sir.
Okay. For a minimum deviation of prism, for the angle of deviation of prism to be equal to refracting angle. Okay. The prism must be made up of what material? So mu is sine of A plus delta m upon 2 divided by sine of A by 2. So it is should be A plus A upon 2 divided by sine of A upon 2. Mu equals to sine of 2A upon 2 is A upon sine of A by 2. That means it is sine of 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2 upon sine A by 2. This will get cancelled. Mu is 2 upon cos of A by 2. I think this much too you did, है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now they want whose refractive index should lie between what? Refractive index should lie between what, so that delta of minimum deviation is same as A. एक तो ये हो गया, दूसरा डेल्टा is same as delta m for thin prism. This you know, delta is delta m for thin prism. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So in place of delta is A mu minus 1, can we think like this?
Yes.
So delta upon A will be mu minus 1. So this will become delta and A are same to same. So mu equals to 1 in this case. When I put here 1, delta is delta m. For the angle of minimum deviation to be equal to the refracting angle, it should be between what? I'm solving for you. Let this be equation 1. Can I clear now? Mu is 2 times A cos A by 2 उधर तक.
Yes, sir.
What can be minimum angle of prism? A suppose 0 ले लेते हैं. तो mu, because A 0, then cos of A by 2 will become maximum. Cos 0 is 1, na maximum.
Yes, sir.
So we can say mu maximum will be then 2 times cos 0, which is 2. Minimum will come when A becomes 90, na? When A is 90, then U will become minimum. That will become 2 times cos of 45. That is 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 upon root 2 is root 2. So it should lie between 0 and 2. See, prism एकदम thin होएगा या तो ऐसा हो सकता है ना, max to max. Beyond this it won't work. अभी एक नया सम मिला आपको. Try 8th. A ray of light is incident on 60-degree prism at minimum deviation position. The angle of refraction at first phase of the prism will be how much? This is also good sum.
Thirty degree.
Correct? Because for minimum deviation, we know that A, which is R1 plus R2, will be A, R plus R. So 60 is 2R. 60 upon 2 is R. 30 equal to R. Ninth try. ये तो easy है. Refractive index root 3 and A and delta M are equal. Tenth one, deviation of ray through prism is lowest for which color?
Red.
Yes. Delta is A, mu minus 1. Mu for red color is minimum, therefore deviation is minimum. Because mu and wavelength are inversely proportional. Red. 11, see, so many times it is asked.
45.
Next you are getting 45.
Yes, 11th.
45 is correct. Anybody is getting other than that, please tell. Till 33 sums you will try today. Minimum this much, then you can do any other sum after completing 33, so that I can clear your doubts of this tomorrow. And if this all is done, then I will start with that instrument wala part. Okay.
Yes, sir.